When it debuted, it broke the production car lap record at the Nürburgring. A fighter jet for the track. It's the Lamborghini Huracan Performante. Its 5.2-liter V10 makes 640 horsepower, and it sounds like it. It's extremely fast. 0 to 60 miles per hour takes 2.6 shrieking seconds. It's clever too. It has aerodynamic tricks to adjust downforce for top speed or high Gs. It's so smart, it can use the air to press on each wheel individually. Altogether, the wings and flaps can create 750% more downforce than a standard Huracan. A car that's as fast as it is good-looking is a very good car indeed.